I welcome you all to this next session of our regular data structure practice. Currently, we are discussing we have discussed already the first two chapters, that is linked list and stack and queue. We are currently discussing with respect to the. Am I not audible? Am I not audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay, thank you. So we are going to discuss from today onwards the tree data structure. First two data structure we have discussed, they were of the type of linear data structure, that is stack and queue. Now we are going to discuss started with the non-linear data structure, that is tree. We already started some sort of tree data. Let me share the PPT with you. I request all of you to please mark your attendance at the chat box with your roll number and name. Okay, I hope the PPT is visible to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Okay, we have already started at our regular session with respect to the trees. What do you mean by the tree data structure and some of the terminologies of that tree, that what do you mean by node, degree of that node, then degree of the tree, terminal nodes, that is also called as a leaf node. That is also called as a leaf node. Then what do you mean by the parent and children subtrees, siblings, ages, path, essentials, height. We have discussed one example also with respect to the all such terminologies. Then we also discuss, we are going to now discuss how to represent a tree using the list or arrays. Remember, there are some instructions that I already shared with the in remedial class yesterday, day before yesterday, that there will be your university exam is going to start by the 10th to 20th of April onwards. 10 to 20 of April onwards. It will be totally online examination based on the multiple choice question. Now, how much is the duration of that multiple choice question? How many MCQs will be there? What about the duration? That all details are yet to be finalized by the university. They will make to known to you in a due course of time. Before that means I'm just sharing this information with you because now you have to prepare and study accordingly, that you are going to have only online MCQ examination. Okay, accordingly you have to prepare now. Okay, so I am also going to give you some sort of you can say preparatory for that purpose. You can go through that preparatory and accordingly you can work out it. This how we can represent. I again request all of you to please mark your attendance. Those who have not yet marked, there are, let me, in some of them you have not yet marked attendance. Please mark your attendance. And yes, Now, no one is there in the waiting room. So we have also seen how to represent. Then what do you mean by the left child, that right sublink. Then degree representation as a degree of degree of two tree, that is nothing but the binary tree. Please mute yourself. जिनका unmute है, please mute yourself.
Shut up.
Please mute. Hello. Okay. Am I audible now? Am I
Yes,
audible?
sir.
Okay,
Yes,
sorry, मेरा ध्यान नहीं था. जो वेटिंग रूम में फिर से आ जा रहे हैं ना, उनको इन करने में लगा था, इसलिए I could not concentrate that I am on the mute. Sorry for that. Okay, so we will start again. That is some of the properties of the binary trees we are discussing. Now we will see how to travel the binary tree. Okay, this is the full binary tree wherein each parent node will have the two nodes. Each parent node will have the two nodes. I am not talking about the leaf nodes. Okay, I am not talking about the leaf nodes. Like 8 to 15 are the leaf nodes, and they don't have the any particular. They don't have the. I'm not going to allow anybody with the some fancy name KT05. I'm not going to allow you. Okay. So leaf node are not having any kind of childs. That's why they are the leaf node. But all other node will have the child equal to 2. That is called as a full binary tree. Rather to say complete, it is a full binary tree. Okay. Now that's how we can represent. We can have the array representation of the any binary tree. That is for the any A means any node succeeded by its left child and right child. Left child like A, then it's B, and then C. Okay, that is left and right. And then for B, again, these are the 3 point. Parent of I is at the I by 2 parent of I. Means suppose who is the parent of C? That is A. What is the index of C? That is 3 by 2. It is equal to 1.5. Means previously it should be rounded up to the previous integer, that is 1. Then 2 by 2, that's the index of B, who is the parent of B, that is A. Okay, that's how we can have the parent of I at the I by 2. Then the left child of I should be at the 2I. Left child, that is A ka left child hai B. It should be 2I, means I is equal to 1 in case of A, and 2I means 2 into I, that is 2, means B should be at the second location, and the right child should be at the location of the 2I plus 1. Right child should be of the location of the 2I plus 1. And if the 2I plus 1 is greater than n, means the size of that array, then I has no left child. I has no left child. I means that the node present at the I has no left child. Why Disha Ingre, why you're re-entering again and again? You are going outside and re-entering. Please do not do that. Okay, that is a binary representation using array. You can save the vested space. Worst case, in case of the worst case, that is skewed. हमने यहाँ पे जो skewed tree देखा था, A, B, that is a left skewed. You can have the mirror image in the right skewed. Remember, you are going to ask with the multiple choice question. That's how you have to study in such a way that each and every terminology, if anything is asked, जो भी अभी ये ट्री की terminology यहाँ पे आपको दिखाई देती है, जो which we have studied also on such a terminologies, obviously there should be the multiple choice questions. Okay, means given any particular choice, you have to select anyone. That is a multiple choice. Out of A, B, C, D, you have to select anyone. Multiple true या ऐसे नहीं आएंगे, लेकिन A, B, C, D में से आएंगे. Okay, so please be prepared accordingly. That's how again the next point we are going to discuss, that is the linked list representation of the binary tree. That is how we can represent the linked list, that is left data and right. Means it can be like a doubly linked list में जो हमने previous and next pointer देखे थे, as good as left is replaced or previous is replaced by the left, and next is replaced by the right. That's how we can have that. This is the linked list representation of the trees that is given in this diagram. Right skewed, left skewed, A, B, C, D. Diagram A में जो था उसका अगर आपने देखा तो each right left has the particular child, each left has the particular child, and each right child pointer is the null. Right child pointer is the None. Then A, B, C, that's how this is the representation of this tree that is in the diagram B. Diagram B में जो tree है उसका representation है ये, and that's how we can have the linked list representation of the binary tree for the given any tree. Now how to travel the tree? How to travel the tree? We can have the three basic ways of traveling any tree, that is the LDR. Here I have used the V, that is the visiting node. It can be D or V, anything. LDR means the in order, means left data right, then the left right data, that is LRV or LRD, that is also called as a post order, and then the pre order, that is a VLR or DLR, that is data left right, and the totally opposite of this, that is the we are taking in this in post and pre-order left before right. Okay, if suppose we are taking right before left, then there will be the DLR, that is a VRL, that is 4 point given. Then the fifth, that is a RVL, that is a RDL, also called as an RLV, that is a right left data or right left visiting node. Okay, that's how there are the 6 basic ways of traveling tree. Out of that, 3 are very much in use, that is a pre-order, post order, and in order. Now we will see one example that how we are traveling the tree. If suppose this is a tree given, then how we can travel the tree? Like suppose for the plus, that is arithmetic expression using the binary tree, in order binary tree, pre-order traversal, post-order traversal, and level order. This is a new hybrid traveling technique, that is a level. As per level means you are going to take the first level all nodes, then the second level all nodes, then the next level all nodes from left to right. जो भी level आप लेंगे उसको left to right comply करेंगे, उसके बाद ही आप next level को जाएंगे. That's how we can have the level order traversal. Okay, now how we are the in order. Okay, in order we are going to use the recursive version, that is if the PTR means what? If the PTR contains some value, if it is null, then that will be end of recursion, if PTR, if suppose now it is at the plus sign. Okay, if PTR, then go to the in order PTR of left. Okay, उसके बाद फिर से कॉल आएगा उसके नोड के हिसाब से, स्टार के नोड के हिसाब से. If PTR, then again PTR is there, then it will be in order call to the same function again and again. In order, yes. If PTR, yes, it is not null. जब तक null नहीं आता वो continue होगा. Up to A it is continue. I am just reversing C. अगर आपको हमने यहाँ से पीटीआर का रूट नोड से शुरू किया था, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट नोड को गए, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट नोड को गए, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट नोड को गए, उसके बाद फिर से नेक्स्ट नोड को गए, दैट इज ए. ओके, नाउ इफ पीटीआर, ए के बाद क्या है? ए के बाद है नल. ओके, ए के बाद नल है, ए के आगे कुछ है क्या? नहीं. दैट्स व्हाई इट विल गो टू द printf, that will print the data at the A. आपने यहाँ पे देखा तो आपको दिखाई देगा कि print the data at A. Okay, print data at A. Then in order again with the right child. Now right child में कुछ है क्या? एक है? नहीं है. Okay, that's why it will come back and it will print slash previous node को come back आएगा printf. उसका recursion में ये रह गया था. For this purpose recursion में ज्यादातर हम stack ही यूज करते हैं. stack कॉल के हिसाब से recursion और recursive function कॉल ऑपरेट हो, इटरेट होता है. There is a difference between operate and iterate. Iterate means you are operating again and again, same loop or same function is being called again and again. That is called as a iteration of that loop or iteration of that function. That's how we can proceed. Then राइट चाइल्ड है क्या? स्लैश का है. ओके, बी को फिर फंक्शन कॉल होगा, बी का लेफ्ट नहीं है, सो इट विल गो टू द बी प्रिंटफ, दैट विल बी विल बी प्रिंटेड. सी एट आउटपुट के आगे आपको प्रिंट दिखाई दिया. ओके, दिखाई देगा आउटपुट के आगे आपको प्रिंट दिखाई देगा. ओके, then accordingly it will come back to the star will be printed, then go to the right child of the star, then C don't have any left, don't have then C will be printed, don't have any right, then go back to the previous star, then star will be printed, go back to the D, D don't have any left, so that D will be printed, so that D will be printed, and then D will be right child is null, so that go back to the plus sign, go back to the plus sign, plus will be printed, go to the right child of the plus, that is E, E don't have any left child, so the E will be printed, so the E is printed, and then there is a call will be ended, call will be ended. That's how there is a recursive function of in order, that is a LDR or also LVR. I'm not, this is the recursive function of the pre-order, that is a DLR. आप यहाँ पे मैंने ये अभी तक शेयर नहीं किए. Today only I am going to share this at our Google Classroom. You can go through the how it will be there going to executed. Post order, pre-order and post order for your reference. That is a recursive version. Then we can use the stack to simulate the recursion. That's why iterative in order. Okay, आप यहाँ पे stack use करके भी कर सकते हैं, as like this is given. Okay, output stack अगर आपको दिखाई दे रहा है तो stack simultaneously workout हो रहा है. Simultaneously stack is being workout. Okay, जैसे एक एक क्लिक के ऊपर एक एक फंक्शन एक एक स्टेटमेंट है. Okay, we will start with the first point so that you will get to know how. I'm just okay now. This is suppose the first call, that is in order with the tree pointer plus will be given for node. Means जब तक node null नहीं होता, for node यानी कि जब तक node null नहीं होता, go to the left, that is the increment like plus. At top पे आपने plus sign add की, then star add किया, देन फिर से स्टार ऐड किया, देन फिर से स्लैश ऐड किया, टॉप पे हम ऐड करते जा रहे हैं. ओके, देन फिर से ए ऐड किया. ओके, नाउ एज एंड व्हेन दैट बिकम्स नल, डिलीट फ्रॉम द स्टैक. ओके, अभी स्टैक ए के बाद आपका क्या हुआ, ए के आगे कुछ है क्या लेफ्ट को, नहीं है. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई इट विल बी कंडीशन नोड will be false. Okay, जो यहाँ पे कंडीशन है नोड फॉर के लूप में जो कंडीशन है वो फॉल्स हो जाएगी, एंड it will be then break, that loop will be break and a will be printed. The same thing for the then our slash will be there, break, then slash will be printed, that is a division sign. Then star b will be printed because that left the right child has the data, and same way C will be printed. B के बाद स्टार प्रिंट होगा आपका, then C प्रिंट होगा, and that's how we can see, or we can go through the iteration of that function. We can go through the iteration of that function up to the end of that function, जब तक आपका function call end नहीं होता. Okay, that's how we can use the stack to simulate the recursion. And even if you are using the recursive function itself, then only it's a stack call internally. System भी कौन सा call use करती है, stack ही use करती है. Okay, system भी internally stack ही use करते हैं. Okay, I will request again those who are latecomers, please mark your attendance at your chat box by entering your roll number and name. जो बाद में आए, please mark your attendance. Okay, so and again I am telling you to please revisit to the Google Classroom. जो भी subject faculty वहाँ पे अभी आगे वाले एक week में upload करने वाले, they are very much important for you with respect to your university exam also and career. Your university exam is going to be held in a multiple choice question paper only, MCQ question paper only. It will be of the online mode, and most probably the format will be of the like given an option of ABCD. You have to choose anyone. Okay, that's how there will be the some, and for every paper, theory paper, that particular thing is there. Okay, so we will move further with respect to the now. That is how the level traversing FIFO, that is for this purpose. Okay, we have seen this non-recursive new order time complexity is n. Why time complexity is? Because we have to place each and every node. We have to visit each and every node on the stack, and so that time and specs complexity is equal to the n. N means number of node. N means number of nodes. That's how we can proceed for the. Then we will see the level order. What do you mean by the level order? Wherein we are going to visit each and every level. Okay, we have to comply with the level first, and then we can go to the next level. Okay, how it can be there? First, add queue front will be for this purpose. We are going to use the queue as a data structure. Such a MCQ will come that to implement the level order traversing technique of the binary tree dash data structure is being used or can be used. And below, if suppose there are 4 options like tree itself, stack, queue, or linked list, then out of that you have to select the queue. Okay, that's how you have to select the queue. Okay, then if PTR is there, see the how the queue is working. We are already knew the what do you mean by the queue, that is the first in first out. जो भी first in आने वाला है वो first out होने वाला है. That's why जैसे हम next level को जाएंगे, previous level nodes will be printed. Previous level nodes will be printed. Okay, जब तक उसका null नहीं आ जाता तब तक. जब तक उसका नल नहीं आ जाता तब तक previous node will be printed. That's how we are going to work out with the level order. Okay, please unmute yourself. Please mute जिन्होंने unmute किया है. ऋषिकेश मोरे, please mute yourself. Okay, that's how we can proceed for the level order traversing. Then copying binary tree is one more transaction possible on the binary tree. Means suppose you have to copy the one binary tree from the another. Now that is not under our preview, because as per the university syllabus, you are going to have the only traveling techniques for the binary tree or applications from the binary tree with respect to the evaluation of that binary tree application, like in case of the expression evaluation, like that. As like for the traveling techniques of the binary tree, we are using the stack and queue. In this such a case, level order or in order, pre-order and post order, we are using stack and queue as a application for the traveling binary tree. Same way, what are the binary trees application itself, that's how we can proceed. That is a satisfiability problem. Now additional binary tree operations are like this. Post order traversal means node structure is also there. Satisfactory, this is not under our syllabus, that's why I'm not going to the detail of that particular point. We'll just go forward. Remember, now we have to study according to the new revised pattern of your exam. That's why there are some points which might not be there for your exam, that will made to known to you. Out of that, such one point is that satisfiability threaded binary tree is also not there. But for if suppose what are the actually why the threaded binary trees are there, because there are some drawbacks of the traditional binary tree. Means there are might be that there is a possibility of the too many null pointers which are currently there in a traditional binary tree. Then we can use that some kind of thread so that we can replace the previously traditional binary tree using the threaded binary tree. Then the rules of constructing binary tree threads are: if PTR of left child is null, then replace it with the pointer to the node that would be visited before the PTR in the in order traversal. Let's see how it can be done. Like if suppose A, B, C, and then D, F, G are the sum of the parameters. ऋषिकेश मोरे, why you are going out and in? तुमच्याकडे नेटचा प्रॉब्लेम आहे का मोरे?
हो सर, थोडासा नेटचा इश्यू चालू होता. आता जरा क्लियर सर.
So we can replace the dangling node, or we can replace the null by its parent node's address. Null by its parent node address, so that we can, it is like a bypassing. Okay, आप bypass करते previous आने वाले null को, और it is like a जो भी आपका previous root या previous पेरेंट नोड है उसका आप वहां पे एड्रेस दे देते हैं. That's how we can call as a threaded binary tree. It is not actually in our syllabus, but for the reference purpose you might have. Then what do you mean by the right pointer? 1 minute. That is also under the threaded binary tree. I'm just bypassing that threaded binary tree. For the reference purpose, it will be available at Google Classroom. अगर किसी को उसमें से चाहिए तो he can take the information. Actually, this all has work had been already there done. We have to just go through. These are the threaded binary tree operations. Then binary search tree. This is there for your syllabus. Then definition of the binary search tree, like the every element has the unique key, means at each node there will be the unique data. The keys in the non-empty left or right are always less than the key in the root of subtree. यानी कि लेफ्ट को जो भी से लेफ्ट सबट्री है वो ऑलवेज लेस होंगे और जो राइट सबट्री है वो ऑलवेज लार्जर होंगे. दैट्स हाउ इट इज अ बाइनरी सर्च ट्री. लेफ्ट एंड राइट सबट्रीज आर also again the one kind of binary search tree as like this. Okay, now here there will be the 20. अगर 20 आपने root node लिया है, then obviously on the left of the 20 there will be all values less than 20, and on the right all values greater than 20. That's how the binary search tree is there. Medium, smaller, larger. You can go through the A, B, C format. There are binary search trees. These three all are the binary search tree. C at the C, there is no less than 60. All are the greater than 60, and that's why they will be on the right of the 60. Go to the 70 node with the value 70. 65 is less than 70. That's why it will be at the left of 70. It is at the left of 70. That's how the binary search trees are there. Then बाइनरी सर्च ट्री में हम क्या करते हैं, ज्यादातर सर्च इक्वेशन यानी कि जो बाइनरी सर्च वगैरह होते हैं फॉर दैट पर्पज और सर्चिंग इक्वेशन पर्पज हम वहां पे यूज करते हैं. सपोज वी हैव टू सर्च 25, देन हाउ टू प्रोसीड. इफ सपोज 25, इफ इट इज लेस देन 44 or not, it is less than, then go to the 17. Okay, left part. Then 17 less than or greater than 25. 17 is less than 25 means go to the right of the 17. 25 ज्यादा है. Then 32. 25 is less than 32. That's why go to the 28, and then after 28 it will be placed. That's how we can place the data. And similarly we can search the data also. Similarly we can search the data also as like for the 76 में आपने अगर वहां पे जो भी आपको रेड लाइन दिखाई दे रही है, that is how we can proceeding that at the 44, then the 88, then 65, 82, and then at last coming at the 76. At last coming to the 76. Okay, we are going to discuss the binary tree search tree at the next session along with our some of the searching techniques, because now we have to speed up some kind of the completion also, so that at the next session we will take searching technology, searching algorithms and binary search tree. Searching algorithm में से हम लेंगे binary search algorithm, then some sort of the another search techniques which are ternary or like that, which are their comparison with each other with respect to the tree data structure. Okay, that is something with respect to the today's session. For you, using that MCQ apps, you can prepare yourself for your university exams and you can do well. Okay, accordingly also we are going to give you some sort of the question banks for the preparatory at the Google Classroom as a part of your study material. Take care of that. You are regularly visiting your Google Classroom. That is one point with respect to the DSA. Secondly, जो मिनी प्रोजेक्ट का दोपहर का शेड्यूल है 12:45 onwards, 12:45 onwards, उसको आपको सबको वहां पे सबमिट करना एंड वन काइंड ऑफ प्रेजेंटेशन देना कंपल्सरी है as communicated by HOD ma'am, that it is compulsory to have your presentation of the ERD and synopsis on system information like that, so that it will be like a submission of your second stage. First stage submission हो गया आपका ERD आपने सबमिट की थी. नाउ दिस इज लाइक अ सेकंड स्टेज सबमिशन, सो प्लीज बी प्रिपेयर्ड अकॉर्डिंगली. और वहां पे आपको सबमिट करना है ऑनलाइन डेमो या फिर आपको एक्सप्लेन करना है व्हाट इज योर सिस्टम इज. ओके, with this brief I am going to conclude with the session. I hope all of you have marked your attendance by that this time, and please be on the time because I am always जो भी waiting room है, in that waiting room you are waiting and it is actually